First, you want to unthread your machine. Snip the thread up at the top, pull the thread out at the needle, brush away any lint that's above the needle, and remove your bobbin. I like to put the cover back on to keep it secure there. Next, you want to lock out your machine like that, so that way you don't accidentally move the needle. Speaking of needles, we want to change that needle about every 3 full bobbins of thread that you use up. Otherwise, the needle will start to get dull and that could damage your fabric or cause skip stitches. To change your needle, of course, make sure that your machine is locked out. Make sure your presser foot's down. Then use your screwdriver to loosen the needle clamp and pull your needle straight down. Now you notice the needle has a flat side on the back. When you put a new needle in, make sure that flat side is away from you. Put it right up there in the needle clamp, all the way up to the top, and tighten your needle clamp screw and use the screwdriver to give it a little bit more tightening. To take the needle plate off, we touch this up here. And notice it lifts the foot extra high and makes it so you can take the needle plate right off. And I like to take the foot off so it's out of the way. We want to clean between the feed dogs. This is important if you have sewn something like flannel that's fuzzy. That'll leave a lot of lint. We want to make sure that's nice and clean. Lift out the bobbin case like that and clean inside the bobbin area, and then clean the bobbin case itself to make sure there's no lint. Clean all sides. The bobbin thread sensor is here and on here. We want to clean both sides of that, make sure there's no lint in the way, and we also want to clean the thread cutter mechanism. And to put the bobbin case back in, make sure you have this little knob right next to that. Put it in this way and it drops right in. To put the needle plate back on, I like to put the presser foot back on. We take these 2 little ears and put them right under the left-hand side like that, and just drop it right back on. And when you're done using your machine, make sure you keep the cover on it to keep the dust off. We have several other videos on this machine. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like. And if you have comments, questions, or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.